is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, I definitely do appreciate all of you checking out my video, dropping thumbs up, and as well as comments down below. I definitely do like to interact with everyone. Doesn't matter what age you are, we are all in the hobby of collecting cars. Either you play with them, do customs, you take pictures of them, which I've seen some really good photography on Instagram. So keep it up, guys. You definitely keep me going and definitely keep this channel growing and trying to strive to better my content for you guys. To start it off, I did find some in-case cars today. I didn't get to film the hunt because it definitely caught me off guard. As soon as I walked into Target, the first thing I always look at is the cash register pegs, and they were completely loaded with in-case for 2020. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna break it down, show you exactly what I picked up, what I left behind. But I did pick up the new recolor of the Datsun Bluebird wagon, the nice Momo wagon. I definitely do like the black, but I don't know how I feel. What do you guys think? Which one's better, the black or the red? I think they're both really, really nice cars. I'm not even gonna pick one. I'm gonna let you guys decide down below, but I definitely do like the recolor for 2020. And then moving on to the very first cast for Hot Wheels, the 96 Impala SS. This is the very first cast, new for 2020. There's never been one before. It's definitely cool to see this bad boy come out. I'm glad they actually started hitting up the 90s cars, especially when you got the older RX-7s coming out, the older JDMs. Now you got the mid-90s Impala SS, which is a super cool car. Growing up, this thing was really, really sweet. It's just the performance version of Caprice, but definitely glad to have that one. The next one is a super cool recolor of the Jaguar XESV Project 8. Now I still got to say the green right there is still my favorite variation in color. The burnt orange is nice, but a silver is also really good because you get to see a little bit more of the detail work in it, especially the card. The card looks really, really nice. That's why I like keeping them in the packages, because the artwork itself is what puts this whole thing together. But definitely still a super sweet car. I'm glad they're still putting these out, and I can't wait to see what other colors come out later on this year or maybe next year. So the next one I ended up picking up that I was super stoked is this really nice 2019 ZR1 convertible in a nice dark metallic blue. And I definitely love the fact that they put the gray OH5 wheels on there. If you guys don't know what OH5 means, it means open hole, and the 5 is for 5 spokes. Open hole is because the 5 spokes are actually cut out so you can actually see right through them. I definitely think that color setup's super sweet, and of course a better variation in my opinion than the orange. The orange is nice, don't get me wrong, and of course the white one is nice, but I definitely do love the blue. The only thing I don't like is that in the picture it's got the high mounted wing, but the actual cast doesn't. It's kind of just casted to the car, so I think that's a little, like, I wish they would have actually put a wing on there, but it is what it is. Now I can add that to the vet collection, but still new for 2020. Cannot go wrong with that one. The next one was high up on my list for 2020, and it is the new McLaren Speedtail. Now this car is really, really sweet. I'm going to go more in depth in my video Friday for my Free It Friday. I did buy 2 of these, that way I can open it up and go over it. So I'm not going to go too much into detail on this car. I definitely will add it to my McLarens that I have over there. So stay tuned for Friday. I'm going to go more in depth, give you a little bit more facts about that car, the real car, and how it performs. Next one is a really sweet Aston Martin 177 in red with the nice white stripes, tan interior, and it definitely does have some nice tampo work for the headlights and nothing for the rear, but it does have a nice rear diffuser, and then it's got the Y5 wheels on there. But yeah, super sweet. This is going to be my second Aston Martin, the first one being that Matchbox version that I found the other day in green. The next one is another really cool recolor. It is the McLaren P1, and it is in a matte gray. Definitely a different look. The paint is okay. You can see a little bit of a paint run right there, right on that rear fender, but overall that car just looks really, really sweet. Definitely has some nice tampo work for the headlights, and then of course the tail lights look really good. That gray makes the tail lights pop even more. I think the only other P1 I have in this pearl teal color. It's got a like yellowish pearl to it, so I definitely think that is my favorite, but this one is really cool as far as stealth look and the darker color scheme and it does have, it looks like the 10-spoke wheels in black. So definitely another cool piece. Another one I was super stoked. I wish it was the Super Treasure Hunt, but it wasn't. But this one's gonna do. It is the 18 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon, the Jegs version. Nice yellow, nice drag setup. As you can see, it does have the actual Dodge Demon wheels, where it comes with the skinnies up front and the big old fat meaty tires in the rear. Now I wish they actually did some tampo work, actually detailed the grille, made it black, and at least some red taillights. I think it would look really, really sweet. But I still don't think it beats the original red Dodge Demon. Let me know what you think down below. Which one's your favorite, the yellow Jegs or the original factory color Dodge Demon in red? And last but not least, a white recolor for the McLaren Sienna. This is a super nice cast. I've always mentioned that a lot of hypercars, supercars look really good in white, and this car proves it. This white and black theme just looks very, very nice, very clean. Other version I have right here is in a, almost like a bluish gray. So I definitely do like the white much better. The tampos do stick out a little bit better on the white because the red makes it pop a little more. And then I do have the orange. These are, I think these are both Forzas. Let me see. Let me verify for you guys. Yes, these are both featured in Forza Horizon 4, and this one's also a Forza Horizon 4 car for 2019. I'm definitely glad to have the white in there. The white's probably my favorite by far. The orange one was my favorite until this new white one. The white one is just super clean. Overall, guys, super sweet haul. I did not expect to find all these in one spot, literally all at the register. And then yeah, I wish I would have filmed it for you guys, but literally it's one after the other. I just kept pulling them off. The only two cars that I left behind was the new red Dodge Ram Rebel truck and the black recolor of the Trail Boss. That was the only two that I left behind, which I was able to let those go because I wasn't really wanting those as bad as I wanted all of these. These ones are definitely on my list, but those trucks, if I come across them again, I definitely will pick them up. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know which of the new in-case cars was your favorite. I'll have them spread out here. That way you guys can look at them one more time. But like I said, stay tuned for Friday. I'm going to be doing a full review over the new Speedtail, the new 2020 cast. Don't miss it. Stay tuned for that. And of course, until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.